If you want to clean up your spreadsheet and hide information you don't need to see right now, this quick LibreOffice Calc tutorial is for you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to hide rows in LibreOffice Calc in just a few simple clicks. This is useful when you want to focus on certain data, remove clutter from view, or temporarily keep sensitive information out of sight without deleting anything. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting from the home screen, look on the left side under Create and click Calc Spreadsheet. You can also open an existing spreadsheet if you already have one saved. Once your sheet is open, take a look at the rows on the left side of the spreadsheet. Each row has a number next to it, and that number is what you'll use to select the row you want to hide. Now click the row number of the row you want to hide. You can select a single row, or if you need to hide multiple rows, you can click and drag across more than one row number to highlight them together. This part is important because LibreOffice will hide whichever rows you have selected. If you only want to hide one line of data, just select that one row. If you want to hide a block of information, select the full range first. After the row is selected, right-click on the row number. A menu will appear with different options for that row. From that menu, click Hide. As soon as you choose Hide, the selected row will disappear from view in the spreadsheet. Don't worry, this does not delete your data. It simply hides the row so it's not visible while you work. This is especially helpful when you're presenting data, printing a sheet, or just trying to make a large spreadsheet easier to read. You can hide as many rows as needed using the same method. Just select the row numbers, right-click, and choose Hide again. It's a fast and practical way to keep your spreadsheet organized. If you ever need to bring that row back, you can usually unhide it later by selecting the rows around the hidden section and using the Unhide option from the row menu. So the data is still there, just out of sight until you need it again. That makes this feature perfect for temporary cleanup and better workflow management. And that's how you hide rows in LibreOffice Calc. It only takes a moment once you know where to click. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.